Hashtag short guys 2012 Caravan, no start, towed in, no freaking start. Wonder why? Because the alarm worked. Yeah, barely. I don't know if it's a battery problem or what, but we going, let's do this. I hear a click, guys. Let's go under the hood. Ready, guys, got the hood up and this battery look fairly new. However, I just hate when the, oh my goodness, both of them. Is that why it's not starting? I don't know. Because I suspect the battery low. Let me get out my jump box. Still no start. No crank, actually. Now I can hear power making it to the starter as if the starter is trying, but it's just not pulling it off. Guys, it's a hashtag short video, so what I'm gonna need y'all to do is hang around, stick around for the full-blown diagnostic video. Ooh, that's not good. Let's get it, guys. I'm sure y'all saw that hashtag short video back at this van. Now, where do we go from here, guys? I'm still outside. Remember, it was towed in. I try to exhaust all possibilities while outside before I commit to pushing cars into the shop. That is a huge job. I'd much rather drive them in the shop. Got my jump box on, powered up, supposed to be 12 volts. Turn the key, click, 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 click. Now, because I have so-called eliminated 12 volts by way of this substitute, and again, guys, I hear the starter clicking. I don't have a helper or somebody that can turn the key and let me know what I need to know. What I'm suspecting is a starter. But guys, don't be reckless. Before you just automatically assume it's a starter, you really need to verify. A starter is expensive and you definitely could be wrong. I mean, the engine could be seized up. The reason it's not cranking over. I'm gonna do this real quick. It's not the proper way, but yes, I have oil in it. So should you cancel out being seized up? Nah, not really, but that's a good sign. It's got oil in it. All right, I want to take a look at the starter, guys. I can't see. The starter is right here in front of the cat converter. I'm gonna take y'all fishing. I can't get down there, but I need some eyes down there. I want to know how that starter look. Okay, wonder if I can crawl on the bottom, fish my camera down there. Y'all gonna go looking for me? Cause I can't see, so I'm gonna take the camera down there and see if y'all can see. All right, let's get it. Oh, looky, looky, looky. Holy crap, guys. I can see from my mirror on my phone, that is a new starter. So somebody has been working on this car. All right. Yeah, I know a starter is not that complicated to where another shop can put a starter on. So it's making sense. It's a new starter, new battery, still no cranking. Now, I'm still not convinced this engine is not seized up. So what I'm going to do is go and get me some tools and try to see if I can turn this engine over manually. All right, I'm going to stick a socket on the crankshaft pulley and try to rotate the crankshaft. If I rotate the crankshaft, that lets me know the engine is not seized. I'm running out of options, guys. All right, so let me go grab some tools. Y'all hold tight. Well, there goes that, guys. Wow, this customer has some explaining to do. There's oil in this crankcase. However, freaking engine seized up, guys. Whew, I'm tired trying to turn that damn crankshaft. How that happened? I don't know. That's the new starter. Now, is the starter wedged in between the flywheel and or the flex plate and the transmission. I don't know. I got a new battery, new starter. Connection's poor, but who cares at this point? None of this matters, guys. If the block will not rotate, if the engine will not turn over. The engine is seized. I can't say that that's new oil, as if they ran out of oil, then they put some in it. I can, however, let me see something. Oh, y'all see this? This is new, guys. So some oil leaks has been repaired. Did they run it? I don't know. I don't know. All I can do is go right up. Yeah, we don't repair these. For all you guys out there that's quick about to holler head gaskets, my head gasket crew, if you're out there, well, you got build it, overhaul it. No. Okay, depending on where I'm at, we don't even. Matter of fact, I take that back. Wherever I'm at, we're not building engines anymore. I just had a customer at Brothers Motors asking me about that. They, well, can y'all rebuild it? No. Get us a unit with you a warranty on it. We'll just swap it out and be done with it. Okay. No pressure on us. No. Can we build engines? Absolutely. So it ain't a matter. People always comment, just because you can't do it don't mean it can't be done. No, man. It doesn't matter what you can and can't do. We can do anything. Matter of fact, anybody can do anything they really want to do. All right. So yes, we can build engines, transmission. I was the transmission man for peep's sake, and people still, well, you obviously don't know how to build a transmission. Okay, I let those kind of slide. Just let them talk, because that's obviously all they want to do. But no, we're not building no engine. We're not going to unseize the engine, put new bearings and all. No. Just get us another block. Guys, I have no choice. I have to write up a freaking engine on this thing. Again, what's bothering me, and I'm sure going to bother some of you guys that work on cars, JT, how do you know it's not wedged? Because if you turn the key, click, you can feel the solenoid jumping out there to grab the flywheel. It just won't turn because it's freaking seized. All right, enough rampany. Yeah, I never thought this engine would be seized. So guys, let me shut up. Let me go right up my estimate, guys. That's all I have. I'll keep y'all up to date, man, via some shorts. Okay, this was a long video, but I'll let y'all know what's up doing shorts. All right, that's all I have, man. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.